Have you ever felt tired? Tired not because you didn't sleep for about 8 hours. Tired not because you went to the gym, didn't drink enough water, or have a poor diet, but because you did all of that with so much effort, yet you still feel emotionally, physically, and mentally exhausted due to excessive and prolonged stress, leaving you feeling like there's nothing to give. Well, that's called burnout, and it's something I never thought I'd have, yet here I am in the midst of it all. Hey guys, what's good? This is Sunday and welcome to the 20s Diaries as I embark on a journey of discovering myself in my 20s. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Guys, I'm not happy. And we go happy. This week's tasks are not for the week, guys. Firstly, I need to schedule a 60-minute call with a peer that's doing the same course as me. Fine. And then I have to learn and study all the content of week 2. And on the other hand, I have to complete a peer coaching session with the peer. And I emphasize peer because I thought this course was gonna be me, myself, and me only. I did an online course because I thought, me, myself, and I, but I guess not. Lastly, I have to complete a reflection activity before next week Monday. Talk about stress, but anyway, we're going to be positive. We're going to see how this goes and all that. So yeah, guys, wish me luck. I don't have time. It's 1 o'clock and I was supposed to get in a call with my peer for the 60 minutes call. However, yesterday Escom did me dirty until today. So what happened was I wasn't able to prepare anything because my laptop was off, my phone was off. I couldn't even tell my peer hello, like and stuff. So I was just waiting for and it can't be guys. And when I open my messages, I'm supposed to get in the call. Bear in mind, anga preparing. So I was like, yo, dog, here a piece of grace period of 2 hours. This is not happening to me. And it's all I was supposed to create a bit of content to just push because today is the exercise Friday and I'm about to leave. But let me go because I don't have time. And yeah. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Like my heart is beating for dear life. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. I need to chill and stuff. Wish me luck, guys. I'm so happy. I'm done. I'm finally done for the week, and it's Thursday, right? So I have the weekend to myself. So I'm done with everything from call to writing, and so far I have a 95 average. So thanks for me. And yeah, let's go. Morning. Okay guys, so I just found out, so good to you, my mommy is going to PT, which is good because I'm also going to PTA, whatever, Epitoria. So I have to pack because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go, but due to like me wanting to save and just minimize my expenses, I think I'll go to this week, like today. Okay, I'm going to prepare and act like I'm going somewhere. Okay, not act, but look like I'm going somewhere because it's 1 o'clock and I was in bed. Okay, I slept late. That's the reason why. So let's go. Okay guys, so I think I'm gonna pack first before I even bath or do anything because I'm so stressed now. Get up with this dress, guys. Get up with this dress. But let's be fast. One thing about me, I will say I'll do things, and then when it comes to last minute, give us serious, you know. But hey guys, a quick update. Yo, I look great. I am no longer going to PTA this week. I'm going to PTA next week, and yeah, to reconnect with my high school friend. We were just disconnected for like a year, I think so. I reached out to her because I was the one who broke off the communication due to like me trying to isolate myself and figure myself out on my own. So I reached out and I was like, hey, let's get together. So yeah, we were deciding to see, are we doing it this week or next week? But she said I should come next week. So yeah, currently I'm done washing my hair because it looked but I think I'm gonna let it air dry, and then I'll probably do my hair like fully like next week when I'm close to going to Hatfield. So now I just ordered Ibira's roll, and I think I'm gonna buy like the Aquila or something like just to reward myself for a beautiful and very successful week, because like ciao, yeah, it's been hectic, but yeah, it's finally Friday. I just want to relax. I want to watch movies. I don't want to stress myself. So yeah, guys. Okay guys, so my food is here. So we got Bravo's roll with chips. Honestly, I'm sadly got that because of this guy. And then I bought myself this drink. Just because again, I'm just kidding. Maybe I'm gonna money, so I just bought this big one. And yeah, guys.
As I close this diary entry, I want to touch on something important: the value of taking breaks. It's easy to give others advice about stepping back and recharging, yet following that advice ourselves is often so much harder. We get wrapped up in our duties and goals, convincing ourselves that we can't afford to slow down. But those small pauses are essential for clarity and well-being. Let's commit not only to share the importance of self-care, but to practice it ourselves. Remember, it's okay to take a moment to breathe. You deserve it. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to prioritize your own well-being.